from class 12th, and we are in exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4, we are in that. Okay, dear students, let us have a discussion. The question here, the first question, e power x by sin x. First, the given function you have to assume that y is equal to e power x by sin x. Differentiate the following functions with respect to x. This is the question. It is in the form of u by v. U by v form is there. So how to differentiate? Here I am writing the formula for d by dx of quotient rule of differentiation is called u by v equal to v square v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. This is called quotient rule of differentiation. By using this formula, differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx is equal to, here v is what, sin x, no? So sin x whole square v into, that means sin x into d by dx of u means what, e power x, minus u into d by dx of v means sin x. So dy by dx is equal to denominator sin square x sin x into d by dx of e power x is e power x minus e power x into d by dx of sin x cos x. From numerator e power x take common, e power x into sin x minus cos x divided by sin square x. So therefore dy by dx equal to e power x into sin x minus cos x by sin square x. Now come to the question number 2. Here also you can assume that the given function is y. It is in the form of e power f of x. D by dx of e power f of x is e power f of x into d by dx of f of x. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx equal to e power sin inverse x derivative is e power sin inverse x. Again, sin inverse x is the function. That function you have to differentiate. D by dx of sin inverse x. So, e power sin inverse x. D by dx of sin inverse x. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So, we can write it as e power sin inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square. This is the value of dy by dx. Okay, dear students, we will move to question number 4. So let us consider the given function as y. So this is sin, this is completely x, we are assuming that. Y of sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. So differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative is dy by dx is equal to sin of x. So sin x derivative is cos of tan inverse of e power x. Again what you have to do? Into d by dx of whatever the function involved that we can differentiate, tan inverse of e power x. So which is equal to cos of tan inverse of e power x. D by dx of tan inverse x. What is d by dx of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x value is what here? E power x whole square. Again e power x you have to differentiate into d by dx of e power x. So you have to get it as cos of tan inverse of e power x into 1 by 1 plus e power x whole square means e power 2x only now, into d by dx of e power x is e power x. So this is the answer. You will get it as dy by dx, dear students. Okay, dear students, we will move to another question. So here the question number 3. Let us consider the function is y equal to e power x cube. So e power f of x, it is in the form d by dx of e power f of x is what? E power f of x into d by dx of f of x. So f of x is what here? X cube. So differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to e power x cube into d by dx of x cube. So which is equal to e power x cube into d by dx of x cube is 3x square. So we can simplify 3x square into e power x cube. This is the value of dy by dx. Now come to the question number 5. Let us consider the given function as y. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx is equal to log f of x. So 1 by cos e power x. Again d by dx of whatever the function involved in that again you have to differentiate. So d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Again x differentiate. So log f of x means 1 by f of x. Again f of x. So 1 by cos of e power x. D by dx of cos of e power x is minus sin of e power x into d by dx of whatever the function involved in that. Again we have to differentiate. So which is equal to minus sin of e power x divided by cos of e power x into d by dx of e power x is what? E power x. Sin by cos is what? Tan. So minus tan e power x into e power x. So dy by dx is equal to minus tan e power x into e power x. I hope you everyone understand. Tell me, Vignesh madam. Yeah, some students is making comments. Yeah, I'm going to wrap this. We'll go with other questions. Set of questions. Next question number 6. E power x plus e power x square plus e power x cube plus e power x power 4 plus e power x power 5. For this we have to find the derivative. Next question number 7. E power root x for that root x. Next question number 8. Log of log x. Question number 8. X is greater than 1. Next question number 9. Cos x by log x. Well, x is greater than 0. Next question number 10. Cos of log x plus e power x. When x is greater than 0. Why? Because logarithms involved means x is always greater than 0. It should be. Thank you, Astakil and Arignan. Yeah, here the questions differentiate with respect to x for the following. That given function I am taking as y, differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative is dy by dx. D by dx of e power x is e power x. Here d by dx of e power x is e power x square is e power x square. Again d by dx of x square you have to do that 2x plus d by dx of e power x cube is e power x cube. Again x cube derivative is 3x square plus d by dx of e power x power 4 is e power x power 4. Again derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube plus d by dx of e power x power 5 is e power x power 5. Again x power 5 derivative is 5x power 4. So we need to write it in the order dy by dx equal to e power x plus 2x into e power x square plus 3x square into e power x cube plus 4x cube into e power x power 4 plus 5x power 4 into e power x power 5. This is the required answer. Come to the question number 8. Let us consider the given function as y log of log x. That means log x function involved in the other log x function, logarithmic function. So first whatever the function involved in the logarithm function, that function you have to differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx, which is equal to log of log x is 1 by log x. Again this function you have to differentiate dy by dx of log x. So which is equal to 1 by log x. Dy by dx of log x is 1 by x, which is equal to 1 by x into log x. This is the value of dy by dx, 1 by x log x. Now come to question number 7 here. Consider y equal to root over e power root x. If you want, you can remove the square root by doing squaring on both sides and then differentiate. Otherwise, directly also we can differentiate. It is in the form of root f of x only, no? What is the d by dx of root f of x? 1 by 2 root f of x. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx. It is in the form of root x means 1 by 2 root e power root x. Again this function involved, no? Again you have to differentiate. D by dx of e power root x. So 1 by 2 root e power root x. D by dx of e power root x is e power root x. Again d by dx of root x will come. So which is equal to 1 by 2 root e power root x into e power root x into d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x only, no? So what will come here? E power root x divided by 4 root x into root e power root x. We can consider. We will get it like this, dear students. Now come to the question number 9. Y is equal to cos x by log x. It is looking like u by v. Quotient formula of differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx equal to. So log x whole square. So v into, that means log x into d by dx of u. U means what? Cos x. Minus cos x into d by dx of log x. So which is equal to log x into d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Minus cos x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x. By log x whole square. So which is equal to minus sin x into log x minus cos x divided by x whole divided by log x whole square. If you want, take common minus and simplify, otherwise leave it like this only. Nothing will happen. So this is dy by dx. More simplification required means x bring this side. So dy by dx equal to minus x sin x into log x minus cos x divided by x into log x whole square. Okay, dear students. Now come to question number 10, last question, exercise 5.4. So let us consider the given function as y. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx equal to cos, this is completely f of x. What is dy by dx of cos x? Minus sin x. So minus sin log x plus e power x again into d by dx of whatever the function involved, that we can differentiate log x plus e power x, which is equal to minus sin of log x plus e power x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x plus d by dx of e power x is e power x. So which is equal to minus sin of log x plus e power x into x take LCM 1 plus x e power x. So this is the value of dy by dx. So exercise 5.4 completed. In the coming days, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will go to another exercise with another set of problems. We will continue in this channel. Thank you, dear students, for your support. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe and share. If you like, if you give one like, it reaches more needy students. It will be very effective. Yeah, please do subscribe, dear students, and my friend well wishers also. Thank you all for your support. Jai Hind, Panindra Math Classes.